Today we discuss about Aries and Libra, sexual compatibility, how it will be romantic life, and see what are the chances for success of an Aries and Libra match. See, because Aries and Libra have diametrically opposite personalities for this love match to work. It's essential that both people are willing to celebrate and not criticize the consistent qualities which they observe in each other but which they don't personally process. If you see overall, if you see compatibility, as far as love compatibility is concerned, the combination is traditionally considered to be rather exciting when two people are born under the opposite two stars and such as the Aries and Libra. There is often a strong attraction between them because they are magnetically drawn to qualities and traits in each other which perfectly complement their own. Each has the ability to compensate for the other's weak points. Here, Aries' independence and decisiveness ideally balance Libra's tendency to lack a little in self-reliance and to over procrastinate at times. At the same time, Aries' toughness and the habit of changing the madly where angles fear to tread are nicely offset by Libra's gentle and far more measured and conciliatory approach. Problems arise only if one person tries to convert the others to their own particularly way of doing things, in which case the differences between them can become a major hindrance rather than an asset. In a long-term relationship to avoid and an ongoing battle of wills, Libra has to accept it's unlikely ever to be successful in taming the ram's daredevil spirit. While impatient Aries eventually has come terms with a Libra sit on the fence approach. Coming to both emotional balance, compatibility. Although quite different in their emotional makeup, Aries and Libra people are strongly attracted to the qualities in each other that they themselves are lacking. People pleaser Libra can do a good job for smoothing the rough edges of outspoken Aries. In turn, Aries helps Libra to man up to necessary confrontations rather than constantly sweeping contentious issues under the rug. Instinctive Libra wants to make the peace, while is raring for a shadow. Together means everything to Libra, while Aries will always need a lot of me time. Yet most of the time, these opposite traits only add to rather than distracting from them. The emotional attraction between the two signs. Main important thing to Aries and Libra, compatibility, sexuality. These signs are among the best matched. They're strong in yang polarity, giving them the potential to complete each other like two halves of a perfect whole. A bit of give and take it is a course needed. For Aries, the challenge is to take into account Libra's sensibilities, refine its techniques, and focus more on pleasing a particular rather than simply satisfying self. Libra, on the other hand, need to focus less on simply pleasing others and more on being true itself. Coming to the Aries Libra compatibility, mental compatibility, there are important differences in the way the two star signs minds approach with which they will need to reconcile in order for this relationship to work at a mental level. While Libra finds decision making difficult and likes to fully discuss a matter to gain constructive opinions, Aries is the opposite, taking a firm stance on an issue and being largely uninterested in other people's view. As a result, when faced with a tough choice, Libra may complain it doesn't get enough feedback from Aries and consider itself mentally shortchanged. Of course, the most critical difference between the couple's mental outlook is that while Aries loves a good argument, Libra hates any kind of falling out of the disharmony. The end result is that Libra will often allow Aries to brush aside to its opinion wishes simply to avoid angry words, to avoid turning into mere me or yes person in this relation. Libra has to learn stand up in Aries mental assertiveness and be more prepared to depend its own point of view. See, coming to other thing is compatibility challenges. Despite the basically good compatibility between the two sides, Aries is too selfish. Libra pushes Aries too hard into give up his freedom. Either one could become badly unstuck in this relationship. This is a love match that can work extremely well as long as Aries doesn't like liberties with Libra's good naturedness. And Libra isn't totally dependent on Aries for her company. Actually, it is especially important that Libra retains a few close friends and confidants, both male and female, outside of the relationship because Aries will probably never be willing to give Libra as much quality one on one time as it would ideally like. So this is about for Libra and Aries. So this is about, that's it. I think you maybe like, I think you like it. Subscribe. Thank you so much. I gather a lot of matter about this one. A lot of matter stuck for you. Subscribe me.